What's up, y'all? So I got a package today and I wanted to show y'all what was in it. So this is what came, and it's from Ashley Royal. Royal Paint Studio. Look, and it has a cute little black girl on it. That is so cute. So let me look and see. So it has, she sent her cards. So y'all know some of these are going to be in some of the things. I'm not sure what it is yet. It came with some stickers as well. And a card, a gift for you from someone that loves you. Leave that you, oh, we hope that you do tag us in any photos. Oh, that is so cute. Cute, cute, cute. All right, so let's see what this is. It came in this pretty purple. Oh my God, these are so cute. Lucky. All right, so these are super hella cute. You see that they say queen. So, yep, I looked up to see what I can actually wear these with. And I'm sorry, because I'm sitting here going through inventory and stuff, and that's why there is stuff, like, or why I'm on the floor, you know, stuff like all over the place. So, these are, I guess they're made out of wood. They are, I can't even tell what they're made out of, but they're not, like, soft. Look how cute these are. What am I going to wear with these? So these came from Royal Paint, and it says queen, and they're like a tie-dye with different colors. So make sure you hit her up. Let me see what this is. Her Instagram is Royal Paints with an S Studio, and she's also on Etsy. So I'm gonna take a second to go on there to see what other great stuff she has, and see, let's see what I can put these on with. It's probably gonna be something pink. I'm gonna see what I can put these on, or how am I gonna style these cuties. But this is definitely fit for a queen. Thank you so much, Ash. Wow, these are so cute. And I'm so sorry it took so long for me to actually open them up. But then they're on a cute little black card. Like, oh, I can't wait to wear these. Like, I want my hair to be, like, super short for these, though. What y'all think? Well, check her out. Again, it's Royal Paint Studios. And on Instagram, I will put her link below at Royal Paints with an S Studio on Instagram. And I'm going to style these. So when I style these out, you know I'm going to take some pictures. I'll take some pictures and show you guys how I decide to style these. So thank you so much for the gift. And again, I will link her information in the comments. And it came with cute little stickers too. Looky. This is such a cute pat. Oh, and look. A bolly. Or not a bolly. What are they? A scrunchie. That is so cute for all of y'all that have like the younger. There's like a lot of stickers in here. You have a younger clientele. Like, this is so cute. Now, I have to go and see how much they actually are. Because that I don't know, because this was a gift. But I'm loving the Black Girl Magic on here. And it says, don't worry, I'm not a bill. That is so cute. Look. And the Black Girl Magic right there. So this is cute. Make sure that you go and follow her. I will link her information. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I have like massive packages to open, and I'm just now getting to my inventory. So I'm gonna try to do a few more just so that you guys can see, so I can get caught up. But thank you guys so much for watching my channel, and make sure that you follow me on TikTok, because I'll be having some fun over there, and as well on Instagram. I will link those as well. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe button if there is something that you want me to review, or something, or you have something that you want me to review, shoot me a message, Shauna@styledbyShauna.com, and I will go ahead and get that out for you. And again, as you know, I do everything I review everything from the packaging to the actual item, which is fun. So I look forward to getting more stuff, and I will see you guys later. Happy styling.